Mistakes can happen at any time, and while most of these can be prevented through quality checks, all it really takes is the perfect storm to occur where everything falls apart and now you're looking at a major recall. Of course, this sounds like something that may not happen very often, but if you actually look at the data, for the past 3 years, labeling mistakes was the #1 cause of recall. This is why we here at Domino have invested a lot of time and research in developing our software solution called QuickDesign. Our QuickDesign software is our centralized message creation deployment software. It runs on any type of Windows operating system, and it was specifically designed to eliminate excess touches. And of course, as you've known, reducing the amount of excess touches leads to less mistakes, along with the ability to have a fully automated integrated solution using Industry 4.0 concepts and practices. Because this sits centrally, this will deploy to all the printers on demand. So again, message control and modifications, you don't have to worry about running around with a USB key anymore trying to make sure that everyone has the correct message. All you simply have to do is send the message down when it's needed, and the right accurate message goes to that printer, ensuring that you always have the correct label on your printers when they're needed. If I go away from this designer, one other option we have here is our simple operator mode, which is a simple operator user interface that allows for people to be able to select and send the message simply without having to do any modifications. A lot of manufacturing customers have maybe hundreds or thousands of different labels. With the QuickDesign, we have the data link option here that allows you to, instead of having 1,000 labels, connect to an external database. And this would allow you now to have, say, a handful of templates, which then is much easier to manage. We have done this with our partners at Coca-Cola, who do this with their pallet labelers. They have thousands of different products. They all look very similar. So being able to choose which one is very difficult. So with the interface as we show here, all they have to do now is choose the product that they have, simply scan it, and it will now go to the database and select the right product for them. They get a visual representation to make sure that it's right. This is all pulling from a database through an ODBC connection. And once they confirm it, they can simply select it, and now it will send it down to the printer. Any other time when they have a product change, it's the same simple solution. They come in here, choose the next product, scan it, and now the next solution will come in. You have a different item location, and again, they can review it, press it, and off they're running. For the people who want to eliminate operator intervention altogether, we do have automated solutions that hook up to our ERP solutions, which is our add-on QuickDesign Unite.
And if the average person makes a mistake every few hundred keystrokes, you run the risk of an error for every label touched. So, what would it mean to fix one of the most error-prone areas associated with the updates and maintenance of labels? With Domino's QuickDesign Data Link add-on, product codes and label data can be directly populated from a central database. Plus, by utilizing the QuickDesign Label Designer, templates can be used to reduce the overall number of labels to just the minimum required, with all variables retrieved automatically from the database. Being able to make changes quickly and efficiently is critical. That's why QuickDesign Data Link with database lookup gives you the confidence that your production line can handle anything that comes its way. Just imagine reducing your library of labels to a critical few. And if your business could simplify label creation and reduce the number of labels you have to maintain, imagine the impact on productivity and line speed.
With this type of integration, a simple button press on your ERP or MES system can tell QuickDesign what to print and where to print without any operator intervention. And as you guys know, the less human touches, the less chance for operator error. Industry 4.0 is all about integration and data sharing across entire plant lines or even across other plants. We are working hard to continue to utilize systems like FieldBus to allow industries to be able to communicate much more simpler and easier. We are using things like becoming Rockwell and Compass partners, and we designed our printers like our D-Series and F-Series lasers, along with our new GX thermal inkjet printer to communicate over Ethernet IP. We also are taking these field buses and expanding them to other technologies through EtherCAT, which is by Beckhoff and other PLC manufacturers. This is allowing customers like Hershey to be able to monitor, control, and record historical data from our printers directly to their most reliable piece of equipment, their PLCs. We will continue to grow these compatibilities along with growing it through our other printer lines. And by doing this, we will be a partner with you guys utilizing these Industry 4.0 standards. I highly encourage you guys to continue to look into this. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact Domino. We're here to help. I encourage you all to give us your worst lines. We can show you how we can make savings occur by eliminating operator errors. I promise that.